of work. It's starting to rain. Okay, listen. I went in at 5 a.m. Okay? I had to wake up at 3 a.m. Nobody want to wake up at 3 a.m. And I started at 5. Got out at 1:30. And I'm like, you know what? I want to see Indiana Jones. So I want to go see Indiana Jones. And then I got some carrot cake because my parents love it and I want to give it to them. So that happened. And now I'm going home and I'm about to die because I'm tired. I am gonna die, but it's okay though. If I die, you're gonna see it. But I don't know who's gonna recover my phone and put it on YouTube, but I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna eat my cake. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. My very own, very first camera. And I'm so excited. And not only that, not only did I get my camera, but I got a bunch of other stuff too. Like a tripod and a case. What is this? Ooh, we'll figure it out. Okay, well, oh, I was gonna say thank you, mommy. Well, no, I bought this with my own money! So, oh, and what is this? Oh, I already have this in my hand. Okay, well, I'm gonna open it. Okay, bye! Okay, so I'm dying, but it's okay because I have carrot cake. So it's okay. I have 3 of them. I wish I could eat all of them, but unfortunately, I'm too nice. One's for my parents, the other one's for my sister and my bro, and then the other one is for my other sister. And now I'm gonna go home after a long day at work. Yeah, I can't even smell because I'm dead. Oh yeah, and you better believe that I'm protecting my carrot cakes with the seatbelt. They're safe. I want to introduce you to somebody. It's my kids that I gave birth to. I don't know why they have their mouths open. Oh yeah, that's right. They're hungry. They're hungry because they never come to my house to eat dinner. And they're thirsty too. How? How did you do it? Poor birds, they're dehydrated. Hi, okay, listen, I'm gonna start this video right now. I'm heading over to my sister's house right now, and I'm just coming back from my other sister's place, Maddie, and then I'm gonna go to Mariela's house just to hang out and see my kids. I guess Mariela also too. Hi, buddy. You have asthma or something? You need to brush those teeth, man. You stink so bad. Just like me. So right now, I'm testing out my new camera. Well, I'm filming with my phone, but here's my new camera over here. And it's recording so I can see if this is a good shot for my Harambe ritual. So that's what I'm planning right now, is the Harambe ritual. I'm thinking of using my sister's backyard. I think this is a really good place for Harambe to come back whenever the ritual is successful, which it will be for real. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be performed right here, hopefully. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm Ooh, a butterfly. I'm just checking to make sure that it's big enough and what I have room for. All I have to do now is just get the materials and come up with a ritual procedure. I don't really know how rituals go. All I know is that there's a circle and fire and skulls and candles, but whatever. I'm gonna make it happen, and it's gonna be harambe styled. So I'm gonna figure that out later. But right now, I'm just gonna go back inside and relax. So when I got to my sister's house, they were fixing the garage. They were making more room. This is what happened. I don't think they fixed their garage. It's worse. Please explain what happened.
We finished cleaning our garage.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we took it outside to wash everything off and then put everything back in, of course. You don't think it'll wash by itself? Duh. Look, my mower never looked any cleaner. Don't worry about that. Hey, but at least that looks good.
Hi, Grayson. What's wrong? Are you stuck? Let's zoom in on how stuck you are. Oh, it's the phone. So I have to answer the phone because whatever is important. Excuse me? Hello? Who is this? Donald Trump. No, listen. I don't want to talk to you, okay? I have problems with you, man. My nephew, he has a few words to tell you. Here is Donald Trump. Talk to him. He's on the phone. You're my nephew. You came not from me, but almost from me. Yes. Jeanne? Who's Jeanne? Who's Tiffani? Who are all these girls? Well, you're too young. Hello? Hey, listen, Tiffani. Okay, here's Tiffani. She wants to talk to you. I think I have problems with you talking to Tiffani. Are you just friends with Tiffani? Well, if you're just friends, then it's okay. But let me talk to her first. Tiffani, listen. You can only be friends with my nephew, okay? And plus, stop calling this phone because I have other important calls to take. Here you go, baby. Tiffani! Hold on, boy. Why didn't you answer my call? It's Tiffani! I'm gonna answer. Hello? This is Anna, his aunt. Yeah. Listen. You see? Do you hear what you're making him do right now? He's in pain. He's in pain because of you. So I don't want you calling this phone ever again, Tiffani. So I don't want you call. I don't want. Hey, Tiffani, Tiffani, Tiffani. Hey, don't do it, man. Don't do it. Girl, she just hang up. She gone, man. Girl, sorry, Grace. I don't think Tiffany's gonna be your friend anymore. It's okay. Come here. Thank you for watching me and my nephew. Right, corazón? You're not crying for real, right? Tiffani was fake. She was made up. She don't exist, right?
No.
What do you mean no? What? Excuse me? Grayson, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say bye. Bye-bye.